بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وجعل الظلمات والنور ثم الذين كفروا بربهم يعدلون.
All praise is due to Allah who has created the heavens and the earth and has created darknesses and light. Despite this, the disbelievers still ascribe equals to their Lord.
هو الذي خلقكم من طين ثم قضى أجلا وأجل مسمى عنده ثم أنتم تمترون.
It is He who has created you from clay and then decreed a term for you to live, and a fixed promise is with Him, yet you people doubt.
وهو الله في السماوات وفي الأرض يعلم سركم وجهركم ويعلم ما تكسبون.
And He is the very Allah of the heavens and the earth. He knows all. What you hide and what you disclose is known to Him, and He knows your doings.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
And does not come to them at all any sign from amongst the signs of their Lord, but they turn their faces away from it.
فقد كذبوا بالحق لما جاءهم فسوف يأتيهم أنباء ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
So they indeed belied the truth when it came to them. So they are now to be informed of that which they used to mock.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من قرن مكناهم في الأرض ما لم نمكن لكم وأرسلنا السماء عليهم مدرارا وجعلنا الأنهار تجري من تحتهم فأهلكناهم بذنوبهم وأنشأنا من بعدهم قرنا آخرين.
Did they not see how many nations we have destroyed before them, whom we had established more firmly in the earth, which we did not give to you? And we sent upon them abundant rain and made the rivers flow beneath them. So we destroyed them because of their sins and created another nation after them.
ولو نزلنا عليك كتابا في قرطاس فلمسوه بأيديهم لقال الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
And had we revealed to you, O beloved, something written on paper that they could feel it with their hands, even then the disbelievers would have said that this is nothing but clear magic.
وقالوا لولا أنزل عليه ملك ولو أنزلنا ملكا لقضي الأمر ثم لا ينظرون.
And they, the disbelievers, said, why has not an angel been sent down to him whom we could see? And had we sent down an angel, the matter would have therefore been concluded. They would not have been given respite.
ولو جعلناه ملكا لجعلناه رجلا وللبسنا عليهم ما يلبسون.
And had we appointed an angel as a prophet, we would still have made him a man and would have kept them in the same suspicion as they find themselves now.
ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك فحاق بالذين سخروا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
And certainly, O beloved, the messengers before you have also been mocked. So those who laughed at them were themselves ruined by their own mockery.
قل سيروا في الأرض ثم انظروا كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين.
You declare, O beloved, travel the land, see then what was the outcome of those who belie.
قل لمن ما في السماوات والأرض قل لله كتب على نفسه الرحمة ليجمعنكم إلى يوم القيامة لا ريب فيه الذين خسروا أنفسهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Say you, O beloved, to whom belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. Say you, to Allah. He has decreed mercy on the responsibility of His generosity. Undoubtedly, He will definitely gather you together on the day of resurrection, in which there is no doubt. Those who put their own souls in loss do not believe.
وله ما سكن في الليل والنهار وهو السميع العليم.
And only to Him belongs whatever dwells in the night and in the day. And only He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
قل أغير الله أتخذ وليا فاطر السماوات والأرض وهو يطعم ولا يطعم قل إني أمرت أن أكون أول من أسلم ولا تكونن من المشركين.
Say you, O beloved, shall I take someone as a supporter other than Allah, who is the creator of the heavens and the earth, and He feeds and is free from eating? Say you, I have been ordered to be the first one to submit myself for obedience. And O mankind, do not ever be of the polytheists.
قل إني أخاف إن عصيت ربي عذاب يوم عظيم.
Say you, O beloved, if I disobey my Lord, so I fear the punishment of the great day of judgment.
من يصرف عنه يومئذ فقد رحمه وذلك الفوز المبين.
The day the one from whom the punishment has been diverted, Allah's mercy had definitely been upon him, and only this is the clear success.
وَإِن يَمْسَسْكَ اللَّهُ بِضُرٍّ فَلَا كَاشِفَ لَهُ إِلَّا هُوَ وَإِن يَمْسَسْكَ بِخَيْرٍ فَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ.
And if Allah afflicts you with some misfortune, so there is no one who can remove it except Him. And if He brings you good, so He is able to do everything.
وَهُوَ الْقَاهِرُ فَوْقَ عِبَادِهِ وَهُوَ الْحَكِيمُ الْخَبِيرُ.
And only He is the overpowering over His bondsmen, and only He is the wise, the aware.
قُلْ أَيُّ شَيْءٍ أَكْبَرُ شَهَادَةً قُلِ اللَّهُ شَهِيدٌ بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكُمْ وَأُوحِيَ إِلَيَّ هَذَا الْقُرْآنُ لِأُنذِرَكُم بِهِ وَمَن بَلَغَ أَئِنَّكُمْ لَتَشْهَدُونَ أَنَّ مَعَ اللَّهِ آلِهَةً أُخْرَى قل لا أشهد قل إنما هو إله واحد وإنني بريء مما تشركون.
Declare you, O beloved, whose testimony is the greatest. Say you that Allah is the witness between me and you, and this Quran has been revealed upon me, that I may warn you with it, and whomsoever it may reach. So do you bear witness that there are other gods other than Allah? Say you that I do not give testimony to it. Say you that only He is the one God, and I am disgusted with whatever you associate with Him.
الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعرفونه كما يعرفون أبناءهم الذين خسروا أنفسهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
The people to whom we gave the book recognize this prophet, just like they recognize their own sons. Those who put their own souls in loss, they do not accept faith.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بآياته إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
And who is more unjust than the one who fabricates lie against Allah or belies His verses? Undoubtedly, the unjust will not attain success.
ويوم نحشرهم جميعا ثم نقول للذين أشركوا أين شركاؤكم الذين كنتم تزعمون.
And on the day when we will resurrect everyone, then we'll say to the polytheists, where are your associates whom you used to claim?
ثم لم تكن فتنتهم إلا أن قالوا والله ربنا ما كنا مشركين.
They then had no fabrication remaining except this, that they said, by the oath of Allah, our Lord, we were not polytheists.
انظر كيف كذبوا على أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
See how they fabricated a lie upon themselves, and what they used to fabricate was lost from them.
ومنهم من يستمع إليك وجعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإن يروا كل آية لا يؤمنوا بها حتى إذا جاءوك يجادلونك يقول الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
And amongst them is someone who hears you, and we veiled their hearts that they may not understand it, and the heaviness in their ears. And even if they see all the signs, so they will not believe in them, to the extent that when they present themselves in your august court while disputing with you, the disbelievers therefore say, these verses are nothing but stories of the people of the past.
وهم ينهون عنه وينأون عنه وإن يهلكون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
And they stop others from it and run far away from it, i.e., the Quran, and they ruin no one but their own souls, and they perceive not.
ولو ترى إذ وقفوا على النار فقالوا يا ليتنا نرد ولا نكذب بآيات ربنا ونكون من المؤمنين.
And if you see them when they will be made to stand before the fire, so they will say, if only somehow we could be sent back and not belie the verses of our Lord and become Muslims.
بل بدا لهم ما كانوا يخفون من قبل ولو ردوا لعادوا لما نهوا عنه وإنهم لكاذبون.
Rather, it has become clear to them what they were concealing before, and if they are sent back, they would therefore do the same from which they were forbidden, and they are indeed definitely liars.
وقالوا إن هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا وما نحن بمبعوثين.
And they said, the worldly life of ours is the only life, and we are not to arise after death.
ولو ترى إذ وقفوا على ربهم قال أليس هذا بالحق قالوا بلى وربنا قال فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون.
And if you could see when they are made to stand in the majestic court of the Lord, He will say, is this arising after death not the truth? They will say, yes, why not? By the oath of our Lord, He will say, so now taste the punishment, the recompense of your disbelief.
قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله حتى إذا جاءتهم الساعة بغتة قالوا يا حسرتنا على ما فرطنا فيها وهم يحملون أوزارهم على ظهورهم ألا ساء ما يزرون.
Indeed, those who denied meeting their Lord remain in loss, to the extent that when the last day came upon them suddenly, they said, woe to us on this, that we have committed a mistake in believing in it, the day of judgment. And they carry their burdens on their backs. Ah, what an evil burden they carry.
وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا لَعِبٌ وَلَهْوٌ وَلَلدَّارُ الْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَتَّقُونَ أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ.
The life of this world is nothing but play and amusement, and the abode of the hereafter is indeed better for those who fear Allah. So do you not have any sense?
قد نعلم إنه ليحزنك الذي يقولون فإنهم لا يكذبونك ولكن الظالمين بآيات الله يجحدون.
We know that what they say grieves you, O beloved, so they do not belie you. Rather, the unjust deny the verses of Allah.
وَلَقَدْ كُذِّبَتْ رُسُلٌ مِّن قَبْلِكَ فَصَبَرُوا عَلَى مَا كُذِّبُوا وَأُوذُوا حَتَّى أَتَاهُمْ نَصْرُنَا وَلَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِ اللَّهِ وَلَقَدْ جَاءَكَ مِن نَّبَإِ الْمُرْسَلِينَ.
And messengers have been belied before you, so they endured patience in this rejection and torture until our help reached them. And there is no one to change the word of Allah, and the many pieces of news of the messengers have already reached you.
وَإِن كَانَ كَبُرَ عَلَيْكَ إِعْرَاضُهُمْ فَإِنِ اسْتَطَعْتَ أَن تَبْتَغِيَ نَفَقًا فِي الْأَرْضِ أَوْ سُلَّمًا فِي السَّمَاءِ فَتَأْتِيَهُم بِآيَةٍ وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَجَمَعَهُمْ عَلَى الْهُدَى فَلَا تَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْجَاهِلِينَ.
And if their turning away of faces has grieved you, so if you can, seek a tunnel into the earth or a ladder into the sky, to bring a sign for them. And had Allah willed, so He would have brought them together upon guidance. So, O listener, you should never become unaware.
إنما يستجيب الذين يسمعون والموتى يبعثهم الله ثم إليه يرجعون.
Only those accept your message who listen to you wholeheartedly. And Allah will resurrect those whose hearts are dead. They will then be chased towards Him.
وقالوا لولا نزل عليه آية من ربه قل إن الله قادر على أن ينزل آية ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
And they said, why has no sign been sent down upon him from his Lord? Say you, O beloved, that Allah is able to send down any signs, but most of them people are totally ignorant.
وما من دابة في الأرض ولا طائر يطير بجناحيه إلا أمثالكم ما فرطنا في الكتاب من شيء ثم إلى ربهم يحشرون.
And there is no moving, i.e., living creature on the earth, nor any bird which flies on its wings, but nations like you. We have left out nothing in this book. Towards their Lord they will then be raised.
والذين كذبوا بآياتنا صم وبكم في الظلمات من يشاء الله يضلله ومن يشاء يجعله على صراط مستقيم.
And those who belied our verses are deaf and dumb in the darknesses of disbelief. Allah may cause whomever He wills to become misguided and may place on the straight path whomsoever He wills.
قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله أو أتتكم الساعة أغير الله تدعون إن كنتم صادقين.
Say you, O beloved, what would you say if the punishment of Allah comes upon you or the day of judgment established? Will you call upon any deity other than Allah if you're truthful?
بل إياه تدعون فيكشف ما تدعون إليه إن شاء وتنسون ما تشركون.
Rather you will call upon only Him, and if He wills, He may remove the distress towards which you call Him, and you will forget at that time the partners.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَىٰ أُمَمٍ مِّن قَبْلِكَ فَأَخَذْنَاهُم بِالْبَأْسَاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَضَرَّعُونَ.
And we have indeed sent messengers towards the nation before you. So we seized them with hardship and distress, that in some way they may humbly beseech.
فلولا إذ جاءهم بأسنا تضرعوا ولكن قست قلوبهم وزين لهم الشيطان ما كانوا يعملون.
So why did it not occur that when our punishment came upon them, they would have therefore humbly beseeched, but their hearts had become hardened, and the devil made their deeds appear good in their sight.
فلما نسوا ما ذكروا به فتحنا عليهم أبواب كل شيء حتى إذا فرحوا بما أوتوا أخذناهم بغتة فإذا هم مبلسون.
Then when they forgot the advice given to them, we opened the doors of everything for them, so much so that when they became delighted with what they had received, so we seized them suddenly. They now remained hopeless.
فقطع دابر القوم الذين ظلموا والحمد لله رب العالمين.
So the root of the unjust was cut off, i.e., they were destroyed, and all praise is due to Allah, Lord of all the worlds.
قل أرأيتم إن أخذ الله سمعكم وأبصاركم وختم على قلوبكم من إله غير الله يأتيكم به انظر كيف نصرف الآيات ثم هم يصدفون.
Say you, O beloved, what do you say if Allah takes away your hearing and your sight and seals your hearts? So, who is God other than Allah? Who could restore it for you? Observe how in various ways we explain the signs. They then turn away their faces.
قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله بغتة أو جهرة هل يهلك إلا القوم الظالمون.
Say you, O beloved, what do you say if the punishment of Allah comes upon you suddenly or openly? So who will be destroyed except the unjust?
وما نرسل المرسلين إلا مبشرين ومنذرين فمن آمن وأصلح فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
And we do not send messengers except as givers of glad tidings and warning. Therefore, those who believed and reformed, upon them is no fear nor any grief.
والذين كذبوا بآياتنا يمسهم العذاب بما كانوا يفسقون.
And those who belied our verses, the punishment will reach them because of their disobedience.
قل لا أقول لكم عندي خزائن الله ولا أعلم الغيب ولا أقول لكم إني ملك إن أتبع إلا ما يوحى إلي قل هل يستوي الأعمى والبصير أفلا تتفكرون.
O beloved, say you to the disbelievers, I do not say to you that I possess the treasures of Allah, nor do I say this, that I know the unseen on my own accord, nor do I say to you that I am an angel. I follow only what is revealed to me. Say you, will the blind and the seeing become equal? So, do you not ponder?
وأنذر به الذين يخافون أن يحشروا إلى ربهم ليس لهم من دونه ولي ولا شفيع لعلهم يتقون.
And with this Quran, warn those who fear in the hope that they may become pious, that they will be raised towards their Lord in such a state when other than Allah there will be no supporter for them, nor any intercessor.
ولا تطرد الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ما عليك من حسابهم من شيء وما من حسابك عليهم من شيء فتطردهم فتكون من الظالمين.
And do not keep away from your gatherings those who call upon their Lord in the morning and the evening, seeking His pleasure. You are not responsible for their record, nor are they responsible for your record. Still, if you then keep them away, this would therefore be far from justice.
وكذلك فتنا بعضهم ببعض ليقولوا أهؤلاء من الله عليهم من بيننا أليس الله بأعلم بالشاكرين.
And in this way we have made some as a test for others, that the wealthy disbelievers upon seeing the poor Muslims say, are these the ones whom Allah has favored amongst us? Does Allah not know very well those who are thankful?
وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ كَتَبَ رَبُّكُمْ على نفسه الرحمة أنه من عمل منكم سوءا بجهالة ثم تاب من بعده وأصلح فأنه غفور رحيم.
And when those who believe in our verses present themselves humbly in your august court, so say to them, peace be upon you. Your Lord has decreed mercy upon the responsibility of His generosity, that whoever amongst you commits a sin due to unawareness and thereafter repents and reforms himself, so Allah is indeed most forgiving, ever merciful.
وَكَذَلِكَ نُفَصِّلُ الْآيَاتِ وَلِتَسْتَبِينَ سَبِيلُ الْمُجْرِمِينَ.
And this is how we explain our verses in detail and in order that the misleading way of the culprits becomes exposed.
قُلْ إِنِّي نُهِيتُ أَنْ أَعْبُدَ الَّذِينَ تَدْعُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ قُلْ لَا أَتَّبِعُ أَهْوَاءَكُمْ قَدْ ضَلَلْتُ إِذًا وَمَا أَنَا مِنَ الْمُهْتَدِينَ.
Say you, O beloved, I have been forbidden that I worship those whom you worship other than Allah. Say you, I do not follow your desires. If it is so, I would therefore go astray and not remain on the right path.
قُلْ إِنِّي عَلَى بَيِّنَةٍ مِّن رَّبِّي وَكَذَّبْتُم بِهِ مَا عِندِي مَا تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ بِهِ إِنِ الْحُكْمُ إِلَّا لِلَّهِ يَقُصُّ الْحَقَّ وَهُوَ خَيْرُ الْفَاصِلِينَ.
Say you, O beloved, I am upon clear proof from my Lord, and you belie Him. I do not have that punishment for which you are hastening. There is no command except that of Allah. He states the truth, and He is the best of judges.
قُلْ لَوْ أَنَّ عِندِي مَا تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ بِهِ لَقُضِيَ الْأَمْرُ بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكُمْ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِالظَّالِمِينَ.
Say you, O beloved, if I had that for which you are hastening, the matter between me and you would have therefore already been concluded, and Allah is well aware of the unjust.
وَعِندَهُ مَفَاتِحُ الْغَيْبِ لَا يَعْلَمُهَا إِلَّا هُوَ وَيَعْلَمُ مَا فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَمَا تَسْقُطُ مِنْ وَرَقَةٍ إِلَّا يَعْلَمُهَا وَلَا حَبَّةٍ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ الْأَرْضِ وَلَا رَطْبٍ وَلَا يَابِسٍ إِلَّا فِي كِتَابٍ مُبِينٍ.
And only He possesses the keys of the unseen. Only He knows them, and He knows whatever is in the dryness, i.e. land, and the wetness, i.e. sea. And He knows regarding any leaf that falls, and there is not a grain in darkness of the earth, nor anything wet, i.e. fresh produce, or dry, which is not recorded in the luminous book.
وَهُوَ الَّذِي يَتَوَفَّاكُم بِاللَّيْلِ وَيَعْلَمُ مَا جَرَحْتُم بالنهار ثم يبعثكم فيه ليقضى أجل مسمى ثم إليه مرجعكم ثم ينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
And it is He who removes your souls at night and knows whatever you earn by day. He then raises you again during the day to complete the fixed term, i.e., your lifespan. Then only to Him is your return. He will then inform you of what you used to do.
وهو القاهر فوق عباده ويرسل عليكم حفظه حتى إذا جاء أحدكم الموت توفته رسلنا وهم لا يفرطون.
And only He is dominant over His bondsmen and sends guardians over you, to the extent that when death comes to one of you, our angels remove his soul and they do not make mistakes.
ثم ردوا إلى الله مولاهم الحق ألا له الحكم وهو أسرع الحاسبين.
They are then returned back towards their true Lord, Allah. Do you listen? Command is only His, and He is the swiftest at taking account from everyone.
قل من ينجيكم من ظلمات البر والبحر تدعونه تضرعا وخفية لئن أنجانا من هذه لنكونن من الشاكرين.
Say you, O beloved, who rescues you from the calamities of the forest and the sea, whom you call upon beseeching humbly and secretly, that if He saves us from this tragedy, we will definitely be grateful.
قل الله ينجيكم منها ومن كل كرب ثم أنتم تشركون.
Say you, O beloved, Allah rescues you from these calamities and from all anxieties. Even then you ascribe partners with Him.
قل هو القادر على أن يبعث عليكم عذابا من فوقكم أو من تحت أرجلكم أو يلبسكم شيعا ويذيق بعضكم بأس بعض انظر كيف نصرف الآيات لعلهم يفقهون.
Say you, O beloved, that He has power to send punishment upon you from above or from beneath your feet, or to cause you to fight each other by dividing you into various groups and make you taste the harshness of each other. Observe how we explain the verses in various ways that they may understand.
وكذب به قومك وهو الحق قل لست عليكم بوكيل.
And your nation, O beloved, belied it, the Quran, and only this is the truth. Say you, I am not a guardian over you at all.
لكل نبأ مستقر وسوف تعلمون.
For every prophecy there is a fixed time, and soon you will come to know.
وإذا رأيت الذين يخوضون في آياتنا فأعرض عنهم حتى يخوضوا في حديث غيره وإما ينسينك الشيطان فلا تقعد بعد الذكرى مع القوم الظالمين.
And O listener, when you see those who rudely argue concerning our verses, so turn away from them until they engage in another discussion. And whenever the devil causes you to forget, do not therefore sit with the unjust upon remembering.
وما على الذين يتقون من حسابهم من شيء ولكن ذكرى لعلهم يتقون.
And the pious are not accountable for them i.e. the misled, but to give them advice so that they may refrain.
وَذَرِ الَّذِينَ اتَّخَذُوا دِينَهُمْ لَعِبًا وَلَهْوًا وَغَرَّتْهُمُ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا وَذَكِّرْ بِهِ أَن تُبْسَلَ نَفْسٌ بِمَا كَسَبَتْ لَيْسَ لَهَا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ وَلِيٌّ ولا شفيع وإن تعدل كل عدل لا يؤخذ منها أولئك الذين أبسلوا بما كسبوا لهم شراب من حميم وعذاب أليم بما كانوا يكفرون.
And leave those alone who have made their religion a mockery and an amusement, and the worldly life has deceived them, and admonish them with the Quran, that a soul may be seized on account of its sinful doings. It will not have a supporter nor an intercessor other than Allah. And if it offers everything in recompense for wrong deeds, so it will not be accepted from it. And these are the ones who have been seized for their wrong deeds, and for them is boiling water to drink, and a painful punishment, the recompense of the disbelief.
قل أندعو من دون الله ما لا ينفعنا ولا يضرنا ونرد على أعقابنا بعد إذ هدانا الله كالذي استهوته الشياطين في الأرض حيران له أصحاب يدعونه إلى الهدى ائتنا قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى وأمرنا لنسلم لرب العالمين.
Say you, O beloved, should we worship other than Allah who neither benefits us nor harms us? And we return back on our heels after Allah has guided us, like the ones whom the devils have led astray in the earth, baffled. His companions are calling him towards guidance, saying that come here, say you, that only the guidance of Allah, i.e. Islam, is true guidance, and we are commanded to submit to the Lord of all the worlds.
وأن أقيموا الصلاة واتقوه وهو الذي إليه تحشرون.
And this, that you keep Salah established and fear Him, and it is to Him you are to arise.
وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق ويوم يقول كن فيكون قوله الحق وله الملك يوم ينفخ في الصور عالم الغيب والشهادة وهو الحكيم الخبير.
And it is He who created the heavens and the earth perfectly. And on the day of resurrection, when He will say to everything which has already been destroyed, be, it will come into being immediately. His word is only the truth, and only His is the kingship on that day when the trumpet will be blown, nor of all the invisible and the visible, and only He is the wise, the aware.
وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ لِأَبِيهِ آزَرَ أَتَتَّخِذُ أَصْنَامًا آلِهَةً إِنِّي أَرَاكَ وَقَوْمَكَ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ.
And remember when Ibrahim said to his father, i.e. paternal uncle, Azar, do you take idols as gods? Indeed, I find you and your people in open error.
وَكَذَلِكَ نُرِي إِبْرَاهِيمَ مَلَكُوتَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلِيَكُونَ مِنَ الْمُوقِنِينَ.
And we show Ibrahim the entire kingdom of the heavens and the earth in a like manner, and so that he becomes of those who believe with certainty of sight.
فَلَمَّا جَنَّ عَلَيْهِ اللَّيْلُ رَأَى كَوْكَبًا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لا أحب الآفلين.
When the darkness of night then came upon him, he saw a star. He said to the people, "Do you regard this as my Lord?" Then when it set, he said, "I do not like those who set."
فلما رأى القمر بازغا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لئن لم يهدني ربي لأكونن من القوم الضالين.
When he then saw the moon shining, he said, "Do you state this as my Lord?" Then when it set, he said, "If my Lord had not guided me, I too would have been amongst these people who are astray."
فلما رأى الشمس بازغة قال هذا ربي هذا أكبر فلما أفلت قال يا قوم إني بريء مما تشركون.
When he then saw the sun shining brightly, he said, "Do you say this is my Lord? This is the biggest of them all." Then when it set, he said, "O people, I am disgusted with all of those things which you ascribe as partners to Allah.
إني وجهت وجهي للذي فطر السماوات والأرض حنيفا وما أنا من المشركين.
I directed my face towards the one who has created the heavens and the earth, devoted solely to him, and I am not of the polytheists."
وحاجه قومه قال أتحاجوني في الله وقد هدان ولا أخاف ما تشركون به إلا أن يشاء ربي شيئا وسع ربي كل شيء علما أفلا تتذكرون.
And his people started to dispute with him. He said, "Do you dispute with me concerning Allah? He has already shown me the right path, and I do not fear them who you ascribed as partners. Yes, whatever only my Lord wills happens. My Lord's knowledge encompasses everything. So do you not accept advice?"
وكيف أخاف ما أشركتم ولا تخافون أنكم أشركتم بالله ما لم ينزل به عليكم سلطانا فأي الفريقين أحق بالأمن إن كنتم تعلمون.
And why should I fear whatever you ascribe as partners, and you do not fear to ascribe partners with Allah, for which He has not sent down upon you any authority? So, which of the two groups has more right to safety, if you know?
الذين آمنوا ولم يلبسوا إيمانهم بظلم أولئك لهم الأمن وهم مهتدون.
And those who believed and did not mix injustice, polytheism with their faith, safety is only for them, and only they are upon guidance.
وتلك حجتنا آتيناها إبراهيم على قومه نرفع درجات من نشاء إن ربك حكيم عليم.
And this is our strong argument which we gave to Ibrahim against his people. We raise in ranks whomsoever we will. Indeed, your Lord is all-wise, all-knowing.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب كلا هدينا ونوحا هدينا من قبل ومن ذريته داود وسليمان وأيوب ويوسف وموسى وهارون وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
And we bestowed to him, i.e., to Ibrahim, Ishaq and Yaqub. We guided all of them, and we guided Nuh before them, and from his Ibrahim's descendants, Dawood and Suleiman, and Ayub and Yusuf and Musa and Harun. And this is the way we reward the virtuous.
وزكريا ويحيى وعيسى وإلياس كل من الصالحين.
And we guided Zachariah and Yahya and Isa and Ilyas. They are all worthy of our proximity.
وإسماعيل واليسع ويونس ولوطا وكلا فضلنا على العالمين.
And we guided Ismail and Yas'a and Yunus and Lut, and to each one during his time we gave excellence over all others.
ومن آبائهم وذرياتهم وإخوانهم واجتبيناهم وهديناهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
And we guided some of their ancestors and their children and their brothers, and we chose them and enabled them to walk the straight path.
ذلك هدى الله يهدي به من يشاء من عباده ولو أشركوا لحبط عنهم ما كانوا يعملون.
This is the guidance of Allah, that He may give to whomsoever He wills amongst His bondsmen, and had they ascribed partners to Allah, so their deeds would have definitely been destroyed.
أولئك الذين آتيناهم الكتاب والحكم والنبوة فإن يكفر بها هؤلاء فقد وكلنا بها قوما ليسوا بها بكافرين.
These are the ones whom we gave the book and wisdom and prophethood. So if these people do not believe in it, we have henceforth appointed for it such a nation who do not deny.
أولئك الذين هدى الله فبهداه مقتده قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن هو إلا ذكرى للعالمين.
These are the ones whom Allah enabled for guidance, therefore follow their path. Say you, O beloved, I do not ask from you any payment for teaching the Quran. It is not but guidance to all the worlds.
وما قدر الله حق قدره إذ قالوا ما أنزل الله على بشر من شيء قل من أنزل الكتاب الذي جاء به موسى نورا وهدى للناس تجعلونه قراطيس تبدونها وتخفون كثيرا وعلمتم ما لم تعلموا أنتم ولا آباؤكم قل الله ثم ذرهم في خوضهم يلعبون.
And the Jews did not realize the worth of Allah as it was required when they said, Allah has not sent down anything upon any human being. Say you, O beloved, who sent down that book which Musa brought, a light and guidance for the people, of which you have separated into different papers. Some you show and much you hide. And you are taught that what you did not know, nor did your forefathers say, Allah has sent it down. Leave them then to amuse themselves in their ridiculousness.
وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك مصدق الذي بين يديه ولتنذر القرى ومن حولها والذين يؤمنون بالآخرة يؤمنون به وهم على صلاتهم يحافظون.
And this, i.e., the Quran is the blessed book that we have sent down, validating the books preceding it, and in order that you may warn the mother of all cities, Makkah, and all those around it in the entire world, and those who believe in the hereafter, they believe in this book and they protect their salah.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو قال أوحي إلي ولم يوح إليه شيء ومن قال سأنزل مثل ما أنزل الله ولو ترى إذ الظالمون في غمرات الموت والملائكة باسطوا أيديهم أخرجوا أنفسكم اليوم تجزون عذاب الهون بما كنتم تقولون على الله غير الحق وكنتم عن آياته تستكبرون.
And who is more unjust than the one who fabricates lie against Allah, or says, I have received revelation, and yet nothing was revealed to him, and the one who says, I will now reveal something similar to what Allah has sent down. And if you see when the unjust are in the agonies of death, and the angels of punishment are with their hands stretched out, saying that, surrender your souls, this day you shall be given a disgraceful punishment, the recompense of your fabricating lie against Allah, and you acting arrogantly against His verses.
وَلَقَدْ جِئْتُمُونَا فُرَادًا كَمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَتَرَكْتُمْ مَا خَوَّلْنَاكُمْ وَرَاءَ ظُهُورِكُمْ وَمَا نَرَى مَعَكُمْ شُفَعَاءَكُمُ الَّذِينَ زَعَمْتُمْ أَنَّهُمْ فِيكُمْ شُرَكَاءُ لَقَدْ تَقَطَّعَ بَيْنَكُمْ وَضَلَّ عَنكُمْ مَا كُنتُمْ تَزْعُمُونَ.
And you, the disbelievers, have now indeed come to us alone, just as we had created you at first, and you have left behind your backs whatever wealth and riches which we had bestowed upon you. And today we do not see your intercessors with you, whom you used to assume to be our partners amongst you. Indeed, the tie between you and your deities is cut off, and lost from you is what you used to claim.
إِنَّ اللَّهَ فَالِقُ الْحَبِّ وَالنَّوَى يخرج الحي من الميت ومخرج الميت من الحي ذلكم الله فأنى تؤفكون.
Indeed, it is Allah who splits the grain and the seed. He brings forth the living from the dead and brings forth the dead from the living. This is Allah. So then, where are you going back to?
فالق الإصباح وجعل الليل سكنا والشمس والقمر حسبانا ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
He brings forth the dawn after splitting the darkness, and He made the night a means of resting, and the sun and the moon as count, i.e., a means of calculating time. This is the measurement set by the Almighty, All-Knowing.
وهو الذي جعل لكم النجوم لتهتدوا بها في ظلمات البر والبحر قد فصلنا الآيات لقوم يعلمون.
And it is He who has created the stars for you, so that you may find direction through them in the darknesses of land and sea. We have explained our signs and details to the people of knowledge.
وهو الذي أنشأكم من نفس واحدة فمستقر ومستودع قد فصلنا الآيات لقوم يفقهون.
And it is He who has created you from a single soul. You then have to stay in one place, i.e., this world, and stay entrusted in another place, i.e., the grave. Indeed, we have explained our verses in detail to the people of understanding.
وهو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء فأخرجنا به نبات كل شيء فأخرجنا منه خضرا نخرج منه حبا متراكبا ومن النخل من طلعها قنوان دانية وجنات من أعناب والزيتون والرمان مشتبها وغير متشابه انظروا إلى ثمره إذا أثمر وينعه إن في ذلكم لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
And it is He who has sent down water from the sky. So with it we produced every growable thing. So we produced from it vegetation,
from which we bring forth grains and layers, and from the blossoms of date trees, bunches of fruit close to one another, and gardens of grapes and olives and pomegranates, similar in some way and different in another. Look at its fruit when it bears and its ripening. Therein are indeed signs for the people who believe.
وَجَعَلُوا لِلَّهِ شُرَكَاءَ الْجِنَّ وَخَلَقَهُمْ وَخَرَقُوا لَهُ بَنِينَ وَبَنَاتٍ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ سبحانه وتعالى عما يصفون.
And they have made jinn as associates of Allah, whereas it is only He who created them, and they, the disbelievers, have fabricated for Him sons and daughters due to ignorance. Pure and exalted is He from their utterances.
بديع السماوات والأرض أنى يكون له ولد ولم تكن له صاحبة وخلق كل شيء وهو بكل شيء عليم.
The originator of the heavens and the earth, how can He have a child, whereas He does not even have a wife? And He has created everything, and He knows everything.
ذلكم الله ربكم لا إله إلا هو خالق كل شيء فاعبدوه وهو على كل شيء وكيل.
This is Allah, your Lord. No one is worthy of worship except Him, the creator of everything. So worship Him, and He is the guardian over all things.
لا تدركه الأبصار وهو يدرك الأبصار وهو اللطيف الخبير.
Eyes do not encompass Him, and He encompasses all eyes. He is the most subtle, the fully aware.
قد جاءكم بصائر من ربكم فمن أبصر فلنفسه ومن عمي فعليها وما أنا عليكم بحفيظ.
Eye-opening arguments came to you from your Lord, so whoever observed them, it is therefore for his own good, and whoever became blind from seeing them, it is hence for his own harm, and I am not a guardian over you.
وكذلك نصرف الآيات وليقولوا درست ولنبينه لقوم يعلمون.
And this is how we explain our verses in various ways, and because that the disbelievers may say to you that you have studied from someone, and in order to make it clear to the people of knowledge.
اتبع ما أوحي إليك من ربك لا إله إلا هو وأعرض عن المشركين.
Follow that which is revealed to you from your Lord. There is no one worthy of worship except Him, and turn away your face from the polytheists.
ولو شاء الله ما أشركوا وما جعلناك عليهم حفيظا وما أنت عليهم بوكيل.
And had Allah willed, so they would not have committed polytheism, and we have not made you a guardian over them, and you are not a disposer of their affairs.
ولا تسبوا الذين يدعون من دون الله فيسبوا الله عدوا بغير علم كذلك زينا لكل أمة عملهم ثم إلى ربهم مرجعهم فينبئهم بما كانوا يعملون.
Do not use offensive words against those false deities whom they worship other than Allah, that they in retaliation will insult Allah's glory through injustice and ignorance. Likewise, in the eyes of every nation, we have made their deeds appear good. They are then to return towards their Lord, and He will inform them of what they used to do.
وأقسموا بالله جهد أيمانهم لئن جاءتهم آية ليؤمنن بها قل إنما الآيات عند الله وما يشعركم أنها إذا جاءت لا يؤمنون.
And they swore an oath by Allah with much emphasis in their oaths, that if any sign came to them, they will therefore certainly believe in it. Say you, O beloved, that the signs are actually with Allah, and what do you people know? That when those signs come to them, they will therefore still not believe.
ونقلب أفئدتهم وأبصارهم كما لم يؤمنوا به أول مرة ونذرهم في طغيانهم يعمهون.
And we turn their hearts and their eyes away from the truth, just like they had not believed in it the first time. And we leave them to keep wandering in their rebellion.
ولو أننا نزلنا إليهم الملائكة وكلمهم الموتى وحشرنا عليهم كل شيء قبلا ما كانوا ليؤمنوا إلا أن يشاء الله
And if we had sent down angels towards them, and had the dead spoken to them, and had we brought all things in front of them, even then they were not to believe unless Allah willed. But most of them are totally ignorant.
وكذلك جعلنا لكل نبي عدوا شياطين الإنس والجن يوحي بعضهم إلى بعض زخرف القول غرورا ولو شاء ربك ما فعلوه فذرهم وما يفترون.
And we have appointed enemies in a like manner for every prophet, devils from men and jinn, that one whispers secretly to the other with fabrications in order to deceive. And had your Lord willed, they would not have hence done so. Leave them therefore on their fabrications.
وَلِتَصْغَى إِلَيْهِ أَفْئِدَةُ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ وَلِيَرْضَوْهُ وَلِيَقْتَرِفُوا مَا هُمْ مُقْتَرِفُونَ.
And for this reason, that the hearts of those who do not believe in the hereafter may be inclined towards it, i.e., the fabrications, and that they may like it, and earn the sins which they, the devils, are to earn.
أَفَغَيْرَ اللَّهِ أَبْتَغِي حَكَمًا وَهُوَ الَّذِي أَنزَلَ إِلَيْكُمُ الْكِتَابَ مُفَصَّلًا وَالَّذِينَ آتَيْنَاهُمُ الْكِتَابَ يَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّهُ مُنَزَّلٌ مِّن رَّبِّكَ بِالْحَقِّ فَلَا تَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْمُمْتَرِينَ.
So, should I seek the judgment of someone other than Allah, and it is only He who has sent down the book towards you in detail? And to those whom we gave the book, know that this is sent down from your Lord with the truth. So, O listener, you must never be of those who doubt.
وَتَمَّتْ كَلِمَةُ رَبِّكَ صِدْقًا وَعَدْلًا لَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَهُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ.
And the word of your Lord is complete in truth and justice. There is no one to change His words, and only He is all-hearing, the all-knowing.
وَإِن تُطِعْ أَكْثَرَ مَن فِي الْأَرْضِ يُضِلُّوكَ عَن سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ إِن يَتَّبِعُونَ إِلَّا الظَّنَّ وَإِنْ هُمْ إِلَّا يَخْرُصُونَ.
And O listener, most of the people on earth are such that if you were to obey their sayings, they would therefore mislead you from the way of Allah. They follow assumptions only, and they make mere speculations.
إِنَّ رَبَّكَ هُوَ أَعْلَمُ مَن يَضِلُّ عَن سَبِيلِهِ وَهُوَ أَعْلَمُ بِالْمُهْتَدِينَ.
Your Lord knows well who has gone astray from His way, and He also knows well the guided ones.
فَكُلُوا مِمَّا ذُكِرَ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ إِن كُنتُم بِآيَاتِهِ مُؤْمِنِينَ.
So, eat from that upon which the name of Allah has been mentioned, if you believe in His verses.
وَمَا لَكُمْ أَلَّا تَأْكُلُوا مِمَّا ذُكِرَ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ وَقَدْ فَصَّلَ لَكُم مَّا حَرَّمَ عَلَيْكُمْ إِلَّا مَا اضْطُرِرْتُمْ إِلَيْهِ وَإِنَّ كَثِيرًا لَّيُضِلُّونَ بِأَهْوَائِهِم بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ هُوَ أَعْلَمُ بِالْمُعْتَدِينَ.
And what has happened to you, that you should not eat from that upon which the name of Allah has been mentioned? He has already explained in detail to you whatever has been made unlawful to you, except when you are compelled towards it. And verily, many mislead other people by their own desires, out of ignorance. Indeed, your Lord knows well the transgressors.
وَذَرُوا ظَاهِرَ الْإِثْمِ وَبَاطِنَهُ إِنَّ الذين يكسبون الإثم سيجزون بما كانوا يقترفون.
And give up open and hidden sins. Those who earn sins will soon receive the punishment of their earnings.
ولا تأكلوا مما لم يذكر اسم الله عليه وإنه لفسق وإن الشياطين ليوحون إلى أوليائهم ليجادلوكم وإن أطعتموهم إنكم لمشركون.
And do not eat that upon which Allah's name has not been mentioned, and eating that is indeed disobedience. And devils undoubtedly whisper in the hearts of their friends that they fight with you, and if you obey them, so at that time you are also polytheists.
أَوَمَنْ كَانَ مَيْتًا فَأَحْيَيْنَاهُ وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُ نُورًا يَمْشِي بِهِ فِي النَّاسِ كَمَنْ مَثَلُهُ فِي الظُّلُمَاتِ لَيْسَ بِخَارِجٍ مِنْهَا كَذَلِكَ زُيِّنَ لِلْكَافِرِينَ مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ.
And will the one who was dead, so we raised him to life and set for him a light with which he walks amongst the people, ever be like that one who is in darkness which he is never to come out from? Likewise, the deeds of the disbelievers are made to appear good in their eyes.
وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَا فِي كُلِّ قَرْيَةٍ أَكَابِرَ مُجْرِمِيهَا لِيَمْكُرُوا فِيهَا وَمَا يَمْكُرُونَ إِلَّا بِأَنفُسِهِمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ.
And similarly, in every town we have made the leaders of its criminals that they may devise a plot in it. And they do not plot except against themselves, and yet they perceive not.
وَإِذَا جَاءَتْهُمْ آيَةٌ قَالُوا لَن نُّؤْمِنَ حَتَّى نُؤْتَىٰ مِثْلَ مَا أُوتِيَ رُسُلُ اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ حَيْثُ يَجْعَلُ رِسَالَتَهُ سيصيب الذين أجرموا صغار عند الله وعذاب شديد بما كانوا يمكرون.
And when any sign comes to them, they say, we will never believe until we are given similar to what the messengers of Allah were given. Allah knows best where to place His messengership, i.e., to whom it should be given. Soon the criminals will be afflicted with disgrace before Allah and a severe punishment, the recompense of their deceitfulness.
فَمَن يُرِدِ اللَّهُ أَن يَهْدِيَهُ يَشْرَحْ صَدْرَهُ لِلْإِسْلَامِ وَمَن يُرِدْ أَن يُضِلَّهُ يَجْعَلْ صَدْرَهُ ضَيِّقًا حَرَجًا كَأَنَّمَا يَصَّعَّدُ فِي السَّمَاءِ كَذَلِكَ يَجْعَلُ اللَّهُ الرِّجْسَ عَلَى الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
And whomsoever Allah wills to guide, He opens his chest for Islam. And whomever He wills to become astray, He makes his chest narrow and extremely constrained, as if he was being forced by someone to climb the sky. This is how Allah inflicts punishment on those who do not believe.
وَهَذَا صِرَاطُ رَبِّكَ مُسْتَقِيمًا قَدْ فَصَّلْنَا الْآيَاتِ لِقَوْمٍ يَذَّكَّرُونَ.
And this, i.e., the Sharia of Islam, is the straight path of your Lord. We've explained in detail our verses for the people who accept advice.
لهم دار السلام عند ربهم وهو وليهم بما كانوا يعملون.
For them is the home of peace with their Lord, and He is their master. This is the result of their good deeds.
ويوم يحشرهم جميعا يا معشر الجن قد استكثرتم من الإنس وقال أولياؤهم من الإنس ربنا استمتع بعضنا ببعض وبلغنا أجلنا الذي أجلت لنا قال النار مثواكم خالدين فيها إلا ما شاء الله إن ربك حكيم عليم.
And remember the day when he will rise all of them from their graves and will proclaim, O you group of evil jinn, you have encircled a lot of humans in your evils. And their human friends will submit, O our Lord, we have benefited from one another and have reached the appointed term which you had set for us. He, Allah, will say, your abode is the fire. You will remain therein forever except whomsoever Allah wills. O beloved, your Lord is indeed all-wise, all-knowing.
وكذلك نولي بعض الظالمين بعضا بما كانوا يكسبون.
And likewise, we enable some of the oppressors to overpower other oppressors, the recompense of their actions.
يا معشر الجن والإنس ألم يأتكم رسل منكم يقصون عليكم آياتي وينذرونكم لقاء يومكم هذا قالوا شهدنا على أنفسنا وغرتهم الحياة الدنيا وشهدوا على أنفسهم أنهم كانوا كافرين.
O group of jinn and humans, did the messengers from amongst you not come to you, reciting upon you my verses and warning you of seeing this day? They will say, we testified against ourselves, and the worldly life deceived them, and they themselves will testify against their souls that they were disbelievers.
ذلك أن لم يكن ربك مهلك القرى بظلم وأهلها غافلون.
This sending of prophets is because your Lord does not unjustly destroy towns whilst the people of those towns remain unaware.
ولكل درجات مما عملوا وما ربك بغافل عما يعملون.
And for everyone there are different degrees of their good and bad deeds, and your Lord is not unaware of their deeds.
وربك الغني ذو الرحمة إن يشأ يذهبكم ويستخلف من بعدكم ما يشاء كما أنشأكم من ذرية قوم آخرين.
And O beloved, your Lord is the independent, the merciful. O people, if He wills, He may take you away and bring in your place whomsoever He wills, just like He created you from the descendants of others.
إنما توعدون لآت وما أنتم بمعجزين.
Indeed, that which you are promised is definitely to come, and you cannot make Allah tired.
قل يا قوم اعملوا على مكانتكم إني عامل فسوف تعلمون من تكون له عاقبة الدار إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
Say you, O beloved, O my people, you continue working according to your position of evilness. I am working according to mine of goodness, so you are now going to know from whom is the abode of the hereafter. Undoubtedly, the unjust do not attain success.
وَجَعَلُوا لِلَّهِ مِمَّا ذَرَأَ والأنعام نصيبا فقالوا هذا لله بزعمهم وهذا لشركائنا فما كان لشركائهم فلا يصل إلى الله وما كان لله فهو يصل إلى شركائهم ساء ما يحكمون.
And amongst the crops and animals which Allah has created, they, i.e., polytheists, fixed one share for Allah. They therefore said according to their perception, this is for Allah and this is for our partners, i.e., false deities. Thus, that share which is for their partners does not reach Allah, and that share which is for Allah that reaches their partners. What an evil decision they make.
وكذلك زين لكثير من المشركين قتل أولادهم شركاؤهم ليرضوهم وليلبسوا عليهم دينهم ولو شاء الله ما فعلوه فذرهم وما يفترون.
And similarly, their partners, i.e., the devils, have made the killing of children seem noble in the sight of many of the polytheists, in order to ruin them and cause confusion in their religion. And had Allah willed, they would not have hence done so. Therefore, leave them and their fabrications alone.
وقالوا هذه أنعام وحرث حجر لا يطعمها إلا من نشاء بزعمهم وأنعام حرمت ظهورها وأنعام لا يذكرون اسم الله عليها افتراء عليه سيجزيهم بما كانوا يفترون.
And according to their false presumptions, they said, these cattle and crops are forbidden to take benefit from. Only those may eat whom we desire, and some cattle are those upon which is made unlawful by them to ride upon. And there are some cattle upon which they do not mention the name of Allah while slaughtering. All this is fabricating lie against Allah. He will soon recompense them of their fabrications.
وقالوا ما في بطون هذه الأنعام خالصة لذكورنا ومحرم على أزواجنا وإن يكن ميتة فهم فيه شركاء سيجزيهم وصفهم إنه حكيم عليم.
And they said, those animals in the bellies of such cattle are purely for our men and unlawful upon our women. And if the animal is stillborn, they all therefore have a share of it. It is near that Allah will recompense them for their baseless matters. Indeed, He is all-wise, all-knowing.
قد خسر الذين قتلوا أولادهم سفها بغير علم وحرموا ما رزقهم الله افتراء على الله قد ضلوا وما كانوا مهتدين.
Indeed, ruined are those who kill their children out of senseless ignorance and regard unlawful that which Allah has provided for them for the purpose of fabricating lie against Allah. They have undoubtedly gone astray and did not attain the right path.
وهو الذي أنشأ جنات معروشات وغير معروشات والنخل والزرع مختلفا أكله مختلفا أكله والزيتون والرمان متشابها وغير متشابه كلوا من ثمره إذا أثمر وآتوا حقه يوم حصاده ولا تسرفوا إنه لا يحب المسرفين.
And it is He who caused gardens to be produced, some spread out on the ground and some not spread out, and the date palm and crops in which are various kinds of foods, and the olive and the pomegranate, similar in some respects and unlike in others. Eat its fruit when it bears fruits, and pay the due ushur from it on the day it is harvested, and do not spend wastefully. Indeed, He does not like the wasteful.
ومن الأنعام حمولة وفرشا كلوا مما رزقكم الله ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
And from the cattle there are some for carrying burden and some spread on the earth, not carrying weight. Eat from that which Allah has sustained you with, and do not follow the footsteps of the devil. Undoubtedly, he is your open enemy.
8 أزواج من الضأن 2 ومن المعز 2 قل الذكرين حرم أم الأنثيين أما اشتملت عليه أرحام الأنثيين نبئوني بعلم إن كنتم صادقين.
Allah created 8 males and females, 1 pair of sheep and 1 pair of goats. Say you, O beloved, has He forbidden both male or both females, or what the 2 females are carrying in their wombs? Respond with any certain knowledge if you are truthful.
ومن الإبل 2 ومن البقر 2 قل الذكرين حرم أم الأنثيين أما اشتملت عليه أرحام الأنثيين أم كنتم شهداء إذ وصاكم الله بهذا فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا ليضل الناس بغير علم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
And Allah created a pair of camels and a pair of cows. Say you, O beloved, has He forbidden the 2 males or the 2 females, or what the 2 females are carrying in their wombs? Were you present when Allah commanded this to you? So, who is more unjust than one who fabricates lie against Allah in order to lead people astray due to his ignorance? Indeed, Allah does not guide the unjust.
قل لا أجد فيما أوحي إلي محرما على طاعم يطعمه إلا أن يكون ميتة أو دما مسفوحا أو لحم خنزير فإنه رجس أو فسقا أهل لغير الله به فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فإن ربك غفور رحيم.
Say you, O beloved, I do not find within that which has been revealed to me any food unlawful for the one who eats, except if it is carrion, i.e. dead meat, or blood flowing out of the vein, or the flesh of swine, that it is impurity, or an animal becoming a cause of disobedience over which the name of other than Allah is mentioned at the time of slaughtering, except for the one therefore compelled neither desiring it himself, nor exceeding the need. So, your Lord indeed is most forgiving, ever merciful.
وعلى الذين هادوا حرمنا كل ذي زفر ومن البقر والغنم حرمنا عليهم شحومهما إلا ما حملت ظهورهما أو الحوايا أو ما اختلط بعظم ذلك جزيناهم ببغيهم وإنا لصادقون.
And for the Jews, we forbade every animal with claws and forbade them the fat of cow and sheep, except the fat which is on their animals' backs, or attached to their intestines, or to the bone. We penalize them for their rebellion, and we are indeed definitely truthful.
فإن كذبوك فقل ربكم ذو رحمة واسعة ولا يرد بأسه عن القوم المجرمين.
If they then belie you, O beloved, so you say, your Lord is the possessor of vast mercy, and his punishment is not averted from the culprits.
سيقول الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما أشركنا ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من شيء كذلك كذب الذين من قبلهم حتى ذاقوا بأسنا قل هل عندكم من علم فتخرجوه لنا إن تتبعون إلا الظن وإن أنتم إلا تخرصون.
The polytheists will now say that had Allah desired, we would not have associated partners to him, nor would have our forefathers, nor would we have regarded anything as unlawful. Similarly, those before them had belied until they tasted our punishment. Say you, O beloved, do you have any knowledge that you produce for us? You follow only assumptions and only speculate.
قل فلله الحجة البالغة فلو شاء لهداكم أجمعين.
Say you, O beloved, only Allah's argument is the complete one. Had He so willed, He would have therefore guided you all.
قل هلم شهداءكم الذين يشهدون أن الله حرم هذا فإن شهدوا فلا تشهد معهم ولا تتبع أهواء الذين كذبوا بآياتنا والذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وهم بربهم يعدلون.
Say you, O beloved, bring those witnesses of yours who testified that Allah has forbidden this. If they do, then testify. So, O listener, do not bear witness with them, and do not follow the desires of those who belie our verses, and those who do not believe in the hereafter, and who ascribe an equal to their Lord.
قل تعالوا أتل ما حرم ربكم عليكم ألا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا ولا تقتلوا أولادكم من إملاق نحن نرزقكم وإياهم ولا تقربوا الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تعقلون.
Say you, O beloved, come so that I may recite to you what your Lord has made unlawful for you. This that do not ascribe any partners to him, and be good to parents, and do not kill your children because of poverty. We shall provide sustenance for all, you and them, and do not approach indecent acts, those which are open amongst them, and those which are concealed. And do not unjustly kill any life which Allah has made sacred. He has ordered you this so that you may understand.
ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا الكيل والميزان بالقسط لا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها وإذا قلتم فاعدلوا ولو كان ذا قربى وبعهد الله أوفوا ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تذكرون.
And do not approach the wealth of orphans except in the best manner until he reaches maturity, and measure and weigh in full with justice. We do not burden any soul except according to its capacity, and when you speak, so speak justly, although it may be a matter concerning your own relative, and fulfill your covenant with Allah. He has emphasized this to you, that somehow you accept advice.
وَأَنَّ هَذَا صِرَاطِي مُسْتَقِيمًا فَاتَّبِعُوهُ وَلَا تَتَّبِعُوا السُّبُلَ فَتَفَرَّقَ بِكُمْ عَنْ سَبِيلِهِ ذَلِكُمْ وَصَّاكُمْ بِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ.
And know that this is my straight path. Therefore, follow it, and do not follow other ways, that they will separate you from His way. He commanded this to you, that you may attain piety.
ثم آتينا موسى الكتاب تماما على الذي أحسن وتفصيلا لكل شيء وهدى ورحمة لعلهم بلقاء ربهم يؤمنون.
We then gave the book to Musa to complete the favor on the one who is virtuous, and it is an explanation of everything, guidance and mercy, that they may believe in meeting their Lord.
وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك فاتبعوه واتقوا لعلكم ترحمون.
And this, i.e., the Quran, is a blessed book which we have revealed. Therefore follow it and practice piety that you may attain mercy.
أن تقولوا إنما أنزل الكتاب على طائفتين من قبلنا وإن كنا عن دراستهم لغافلين.
The Quran is revealed for the reason that lest you should say that the book was sent down only to two groups before us, and we were totally unaware of their readings and teachings.
أو تقولوا لو أنا أنزل علينا الكتاب لكنا أهدى منهم فقد جاءكم بينة من ربكم وهدى ورحمة فمن أظلم ممن كذب بآيات الله وصدف عنها سنجزي الذين يصدفون عن آياتنا سوء العذاب بما كانوا يصدفون.
Or you may say that if the book had been sent down to us, we would have therefore been upon guidance more than them. So the clear proof and guidance and mercy has come to you from your Lord. Therefore, who is more unjust than the one who belies the verses of Allah and turns his face away from them? We shall soon punish those who turn away their faces from our verses with a brutal punishment, the recompense for turning away of their faces.
هل ينظرون إلا أن تأتيهم الملائكة أو يأتي ربك أو يأتي بعض آيات ربك يوم يأتي بعض آيات ربك لا ينفع نفسا إيمانها لم تكن آمنت من قبل أو كسبت في إيمانها خيرا قل انتظروا إنا منتظرون.
What are they waiting for except that angels come to them, or the punishment of your Lord comes, or a sign of your Lord comes? On the day of judgment, when a sign of your Lord will come, no soul will benefit from accepting faith at that time, which had not earlier accepted faith, nor earned any good from its faith. Say you, O beloved, wait, we are also waiting.
إن الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا لست منهم في شيء إنما أمرهم إلى الله ثم ينبئهم بما كانوا يفعلون.
Those who made separate paths in their religion and became several groups, O beloved, you have no connection with them. Their matter is only with Allah. He will then inform them of what they used to do.
من جاء بالحسنة فله عشر أمثالها ومن جاء بالسيئة فلا يجزى إلا مثلها وهم لا يظلمون.
Whosoever brings one good deed, for him there are therefore 10 like it. And the one who brings an evil deed, he will therefore not be recompensed but to its equal, and they will not be wronged.
قل إنني هداني ربي إلى صراط مستقيم دينا قيما ملة إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين.
Say you, O beloved, indeed my Lord has shown me the straight path, the right religion, the religion of Ibrahim, who was detached from every falsehood and was not a polytheist.
قل إن صلاتي ونسكي ومحياي ومماتي لله رب العالمين.
Say you, O beloved, my salah and my sacrifices and my living and my passing away are all undoubtedly for Allah, who is the Lord of all the worlds.
لا شريك له وبذلك أمرت وأنا أول المسلمين.
He has no partner. This is what I have been commanded, and I am the first Muslim.
قل أغير الله أبغي ربا وهو رب كل شيء ولا تكسب كل نفس إلا عليها ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى ثم إلى ربكم مرجعكم فينبئكم بما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
Say you, O beloved, should I seek a Lord other than Allah, whereas He is the Lord of everything? And whatever a person earns, it is his responsibility, and no load-bearing soul will bear the load of another. Towards your Lord is then your return, and He will inform you of that in which you used to differ.
وهو الذي جعلكم خلائف الأرض ورفع بعضكم فوق بعض درجات ليبلوكم فيما آتاكم إن ربك سريع العقاب وإن
And it is He who made you vicegerent on earth. And O people, He has raised one over the other in ranks amongst you, in order that He may test you with what He has bestowed upon you. Verily, it does not take time for your Lord to punish, and He is indeed definitely most forgiving, ever merciful.
صدق الله العظيم.